Hi, my name is Lindsay McKee, and I hope to use Genius Hour with my first grade students in my science unit on plants. I think this will be a really successful activity because it will allow students to not only wonder about things but also be able to ask questions that are meaningful to them, and it gives them a time and a place for them to really research these questions in a more personal way. I would also be able to use a lot of technology, including Gale and Explora, to help them find those answers and make sure that they're learning at an early age validity with information. And it would also provide them with the tools on how to communicate with others when we share their results online. We would be sharing the results using a website, and they would get to see other projects students have completed and how they answered their own questions.